Hi, this is Kris Peters for the Hampton History Museum, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a Hanky Angel. Now, before paper tissues were cheap and available everywhere, everybody carried a handkerchief in their pocket. That way they had a way to blow their nose if needed, or wipe up a mess or anything else that we use tissues for today. Well, when your handkerchief started to get a little bit threadbare, it was time to replace it. Rather than just throwing it away, people would save them up, and then during the holidays, they would repurpose some of them into making Christmas tree ornaments. So that's what we're going to demonstrate here today. You need to have a piece of fabric, and of course handkerchiefs aren't that common today, so we're just using woven cotton fabric, and you can use any color you want to. Historically, most of these would have been white or cream colored because that was the color of most handkerchiefs, but you can really use any color you want to. So I'm going to take a piece of red fabric, and then you have to have some sort of ball. You can use a cotton ball, you can use a craft pom-pom like the one that I've got. You can ball up a tissue and use that as the head. You just have to have some kind of material that you can use in the middle to form the angel's head. And then you're going to take a piece of yarn or string, and you're going to tie this around the neck of your angel and cinch it down, because that's what's going to form the head and the body. So the easiest thing to do is just tie a simple square knot. And then once you've done that, it'll be secure. And then when you're done, that piece of yarn will get tied together to form the loop that will hang this on the tree. So once you've formed the body of your angel, you can rearrange the fabric into whatever pattern you want. Some people will actually fold this into a specific pattern that'll look like wings or like the folds of a dress, and then they'll iron it to make sure that it's creased. So you can fold this into whatever pattern you want, and then you need to give your angel wings and a halo. The easiest way to do that is to use pipe cleaner of any color you want to. Today I'm going to use a green one. And you're just going to loop it around your finger or some other round object and give it a twist to make the halo. You can trim the pipe cleaner if it's too long. You're going to take a piece of ribbon or some other similar fabric. If you're using ribbon like this, you're going to cut it off at about 3 inches long, like the examples you see on the table. You'll loop your pipe cleaner around the ribbon where my finger is, and that's going to cinch it down in the middle to make it look kind of like a bow tie. And then you'll use the bottom of the pipe cleaner to secure it around the angel's neck. Now, I'm not going to go through the whole process because it can be kind of time consuming to get everything lined up, but that's the way you're going to make this go together. So form the body with a piece of fabric and a pom-pom or a cotton ball. Tie the yarn around the neck. Form your halo, secure the ribbon for the wings, and then secure that around the angel's neck. Tie the ribbon into a loop at the end, and you have made your ornament. And then you can hang that on a tree or in a window. So the examples that we have on the table here, which are complete, you can see you can use multiple pieces of ribbon if you want to form those wings, and then a loop to hang it on the tree. So this is another example of a Victorian craft that has regained some popularity today. Handkerchief angels were a way for families to get together around the holidays and make some of the ornaments that they would use to decorate their homes. So for the Hampton History Museum, this has been Kris Peters. Thank you for joining me.